Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card game in Scratch. First, open Scratch and create a new project. You'll want to design your card sprites, giving each card a distinct costume for its value and suit. Think about using numbers 1 through 13 for values and 4 different suits. Next, create essential variables like card value and card suit for each card sprite to track its properties throughout the game. This foundational setup is crucial for smooth gameplay. Now let's implement the core card mechanics. Program scripts to shuffle your cards randomly, ensuring fair distribution to players or a central draw pile. Then, develop a deal function that can distribute a specific number of cards, perhaps 5 or 7, to each player at the start of the game. You'll also need a system for players to draw new cards from the deck during their turn, replacing discarded ones or adding to their hand. This makes the game dynamic. Next, focus on the game logic and player interaction. Establish clear rules for playing cards, including conditions for valid moves and how points are scored. For example, a player might need to match a card's suit or value. Create intuitive user interface elements, like clickable card sprites, allowing players to easily select and play cards from their hand. Finally, develop a robust turn-based system, ensuring each player takes action sequentially, preventing simultaneous plays and maintaining order. To complete your card game, add engaging visual and sound effects to enhance the player experience. Think about animations for shuffling, dealing, or playing cards, and satisfying sounds for wins or losses. Implement clear win or loss conditions, such as reaching a certain score or running out of cards, and design an end-game display that congratulates the winner or announces the outcome. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thorough testing will ensure your game is polished and fun for everyone to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.